together. His name is Mr. Farmer. Isn't that a funny name?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I think I figured out what's natural. Right? Right?
It's a good shifter. See that?
Sorry, I can't see it. You know why? I'm busy right now. Wrapping something up. You know who it is for? It's for Mom this time. Okay? 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 Okay?
Mm-hmm.
I hope you're not mad. Are you? The keys.
Get the drive shaft hooked up with the clutch. The clutch ain't hooked up yet, but it's all there. It's connected there.
I cannot tell you what.
Put a flange bearing on it.
It's a secret.
Down to the transmission, which is a Cub Cadet 106 transmission. It's got brakes. The brakes are all hooked up. See the brake rod comes up to the brake pedal.
Just remember, don't keep this forever. Just remember.
Okay.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
Look what it is.
The back end looks weird right now because it's supposed to have dualies on it. But you see that took the dually tires off and just have one tire on each side.
Can I see?
Hold on. And there's the dually spacer. It's an 8-inch rim with all thread welded to it. Bolts right into the 4-bolt pattern onto the Golf. These 4 holes.